Hey everyone, welcome to Dave Dissects. Today I'm going to listen to another Metallica song from the album Master of Puppets. The song is Leper Messiah. But first, Michael has alerted me to somebody using my content on their channel. The channel is called Metallica FENS, Metallica FENS, and they've stole basically my reaction to Master of Puppets Live. It's a bit annoying, but there's nothing I can really do about it. I mean, I'm reacting to music that isn't mine, so people would say, well, you're just listening to content that isn't yours, so there's a bit of hypocrisy, but it's still not cool, because like, they basically cut off the introduction. It's just the reaction, they've cut off the end, so it's just the reaction. But hey, if they want to steal my content, it gets me out there a little bit more, I suppose, but what are you going to do? Never mind, but thank you to Michael for letting me know about that. Strange thing that happened to us, and I've only got just over 500 followers or something, but 500, whoa, where'd they come from? Anyway, back to the task in hand. Leper Messiah. Lyric video, of course. Apologies for the squeaky seat. Okay. Leper Messiah. 3, 2, 1. proper gallop. Hell of a beat in that song. Such a cool groove through some of it. Took us by surprise in a couple of places. Not my favourite song off the album, but still a pretty cool song, isn't it? It's just great. Nice suggestion. A few people suggested that one. Leper Messiah, that was very popular, hence why I chose it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have a suggestion, put it below in the comments. Remember to get that Metallica FENS guy, comment on his video and say, what are you doing? Get lost. Or use whatever words you want. Be nice. Ish. If you like this video, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video, all being well. Take care out there. Till next time.